Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello. I decided to change where my ring light is so now I can see all my pimples. Yay! Right? Okay. So yesterday I talked about a simple sales funnel, and what my goal is I want everyone, anyone who has a business online or wants to sell a product online, feel comfortable selling that product. And let me be honest, you need structure. You need some kind of molding around and system and method to the madness if you want to automate those sales. So you can have a product, you can have an audience, right? But if you're not automating those sales, you're just making yourself work way harder than you need to. And yesterday I talked about it, like it came up to me in a dream. Like I was thinking about this in my dreams, y'all. And I love email, and a lot of this has to do with the close. And email is like really one of the most important parts. But if you don't have all of the other parts set up, then you're not going to be successful. And like I don't want to teach something or try to sell something, and then you not have all the things that you need to be successful. If it's important to me, no, if it's important to you, it's important to me. That's like my logo for when I'm working with clients and things like that. So I kind of forgot what I was talking about yesterday. I know it was about my simple sales funnel, but like today, like and yes, like I kind of built out a whole like system around it, and so I'm just going to talk about all the different things I want to go through, when it's going to start, and how you can sign up. After this, actually, I need to get the text messaging part set up, like mini chat. But that I just want to get used to going live at the same time every day. So 11 ish is like the time that I picked for myself. Usually my son is 8, he's sleeping, so it's cool. Just keeping a minute mark on this so I can know, okay, like telling people, okay, it starts here. Like I'm rapping, I'm talking here, and then it actually starts at this point. All right, so about your simple sales funnel. So let's go to the next screen. All right, so um, I think I'm kind of full of myself because my camera is kind of big. I can move myself. Ooh, ooh, let's do that. Okay, that's better. So, okay, bet. So, I wanted people to feel comfortable with this, and I also like design, y'all. So I try to whip up a little something, something with the little black light skinned lady. Shout out to my light skin. I mean, all skin. No, no offense, but I be getting made fun of, and I actually like be wanting to be darker, but God didn't make me that way. Anyways, I would like to say blame the coffee for this my ranting. If you're on Facebook, say hello in the chat. I will say hello back to you. If I'm ever looking at another screen, it's the screen. I mean, if I'm ever looking away from the camera, it's the screen right beside me. So I'm paying attention. And I have an audio message from Tara. I hope that I didn't break anything on my end or everything's working. I don't know. I can't look at the message right now because my phone is across the room. So we're going to talk about your simple sales funnel. I'm going to talk about my voice is so. Oh, thank you, John. Don't make me blush on camera. Okay. We're going to talk about your simple sales funnel. We're going to talk about. Hi, Carmen. Okay, Carmen. Yesterday I shared your WordPress easy thing, and that joke got more hits than mine. I was like, okay, okay now. Okay, okay. So I think people really want more WordPress stuff. And I'm looking forward to more WordPress stuff. So keep it coming. Um, so how this is going to work? This is what I'm going to do. This is going to be my beta, right? Oops. Okay, my beta. And basically, what that means is that I'm testing it out. I'm seeing how it's going to work. I'm seeing if I'm going to be able to serve and get everything I need. And all week next week, I'm probably going to start Friday, but all week next week is really what I want to deliver the most. And I'm going to do a daily live, and each live will be a new lesson. I've laid out the lessons here. So, what you'll learn the lesson is put down here, and then you'll also get a checklist to be able to fill in with me. So, I'll get everybody onboarded. Good morning, Dee. I'll get everybody onboarded to Notion. I'll also probably put this in a Word document just so, wherever you're comfortable, I want you to feel like you can execute. So I'm not going to force anybody on Notion. Even though I love Notion and I think everybody should try it out at least once, at least try to play inside of it. No more WordPress. Yeah, more WordPress stuff would be nice. Just a messenger. So Carmen, JJ the Great says, okay, JJ, I need you to follow Carmen because Carmen is the WordPress queen. She is like always letting us know what to do and what not to do, how to optimize, how to sell, all that stuff when it comes to like WordPress. Carmen is the first person I would go to, like if I had any questions. So I'm gonna need you to scroll up in the chat and like go ahead and press that follow and follow her. She goes live daily too. It's like our live, me, Carmen, and Ari. Like we go live daily. It's like a little live crew. So, um, what time is it? 11:15. All right, so I'll know when to tell people like to skip to. Or let me do this. Okay. So the first lesson I think is gonna be Friday. I'm still ironing things out. Um, oh yes. Oh, I will be watching. I'm still ironing things out. We're going to talk about defining your audience. I'm actually going to use my persona that I worked on with Carmen as somewhat of an example, and I kind of have a little bit more I'm going to expound on and give a template where you can actually put a picture of the person, like a name to the face, and like really visualize like who you're selling to and define your audience. Um, oh, perfect. I'm glad, D. Yeah, Trello is my thing. I love Trello. I love Asana too. I'm not gonna lie. Like I'm like one. They do different things for me, so I might just end up always using both. We'll define your audience. We're going to talk about how to do market research on your audience. I have about 10, 11 different ways and come up with a persona template. The second day, we're going to go over your offering, which is the fun part. It's challenging, but it's fun. We're going to say, okay, how are you different from other people offering the same thing? And how are you positioning your offer? We're going to answer these key takeaways. So you'll get all of this information. The third thing is, and then we're going to do this. I mean, I've missed that. We're going to do this with Doc. So Doc is a great, great, smart friend of mine. I learned so much from him. And he doesn't even know that he's like presenting on this. And that's how good he is. Like he doesn't even have to know. But he's going to help walk us through this whole process. And so it's going to be interesting. It's going to be helpful. He's going to help give you some insight into how you position your offer and all that good stuff. And for your simple sales funnel, actually, I should put recommendation of products. Because for your simple sales funnel, you want your product to be under $40. You don't want it to be super expensive. You want it to be like an easy, like, oh, okay, like I'll pull out my credit card for that. Like you want them to be a first time customer with you. And like unless somebody is really warmed up to you, they're not going to automatically be like, I'm gonna pull my credit card and pay $3,000 for their service. Like, no. Usually it doesn't go like that. Usually people have to warm up to you and can I get 1 minute? Oh, my mom's on the phone. My dad, yeah. This is quarantine life. His username is I think it's Doc Williams. I'll type it in. I have to look it up again, but I think that's his username. So we're going to talk about like offering position with Doc. Doc has worked with Gary Vee and like their team before, so Doc is legit, y'all. He's like a pleasure to have. Monday for sure, we have him locked in for 11 o'clock. We're going to talk about setting up your lead generation strategy. So we're going to have creating content to get opt-ins. I'm going to have like a go live checklist, like how to use Restream, how to use OBS, Ecamm Live if you want to use Ecamm Live, all of the good stuff I'll have like in a checklist for everyone. And then we'll talk about leveraging social media to drive traffic to your landing pages. So actually, that is not my expertise. I get real slow when it comes to Instagram. Ugh. So we're going to get some help. We're going to get like some guest help there for that. And then we're going to go over a landing page checklist. And I'm going to give you a long list of call to action examples that you can use. And then we're going to have a lead magnet workshop. So this is all in one. Now that I'm talking it out, I'm like, damn, this might need to be 2 different videos. It definitely needs to be 2 different videos. So I might separate that. I'm glad that but this is why y'all are here with me and I'm here with y'all. So I can really work this out. And this is why it's beta, because crashing this into 5 days may be a little excessive, but that's the goal right now. We want to get it done. We want people to get up and running in less than a week. So lesson 4 will be about writing emails that sell. And what I'll be walking everyone through is step by step of building a lead nurture sequence. So a sequence from when you get the person to sign up, what happens after that, and all the steps to the sale, because the sale happens there in this kind of funnel, the simple sales funnel. And I'm going to give you a sneak peek into that sequence. You hear my boo-boo in the back. Okay, so here's a sneak peek into the sequence of day 1, day 2. I'm still not done yet, but basically what you will be emailing every day and like what the basis of your email. So like we're going to actually on live write together about like write together and get the sequence out. We're going to like, and then we're going to like make a template with each other, right? And then I'm going to sell it. To people who don't like, write and participate, or people who need more guidance. So this will be like your whole every day. It'll be a step-by-step view of like what to do. It'll look like day 1. Just need to finish that. And we'll go back. And then day 5 will be about fulfillment of your offer. So whether your offer is, and the goal here, and the dog's in here now too. The goal here is to have your offer be, Dad, I'm on live. The dog did something and he just ran and hid behind me. He's in trouble. He's lucky I'm on live right now. He in trouble. Okay, so lesson 5 will be the fulfillment. So like, how do you fulfill it? Is it a download? Is it a webinar? Is it a video? Is it a password protected web page? What is it that you'll be like delivering to them, and how you deliver it? And then we'll talk about the email sequence after you deliver the product, and kind of like the automation and all that. So once someone buys, say they buy like on day 2 of the emails, then you want to exclude them from the rest of that lead nurture sequence, and then put them into a sequence that engages them about their product. And you want to also, ew, he farted. Roscoe. Ugh.
Don't come over here. Get back.
Okay. Today was an exciting live. I hope you guys are entertained. We'll also talk about like how to. Thank you for blessing us this morning. Tani, is it Tani or Tani? Or I don't know. Let me know how to say your name right. Thank you. Thank you for coming on here and witnessing my chaotic life with my family. Quarantine life. So yeah, so we'll talk about like the email sequence after someone purchases from you. That's just as important. Thanking them, giving them other resources to like make this offer like even more like, oh my gosh, like for you guys, I'm gonna have a bonus like with TaylorMade. I'm gonna try to get a bigger discount. They actually have a 50% discount this month of May. So with TaylorMade, I'll be sharing 50% discount, my affiliate link, like make your logo like that. So, other bonuses that will help push this person past go and just help them get a result from your product, because that's what we really want. That's what the simple sales funnel taking action will look like. Every day, I'm going to update this page with a video. Every day, I'm going to update this page with a checklist for the next day. And people who decide to purchase the library will get access to the Facebook group and you'll get help implementation. So the library is probably going to be set at like $17 for the first 2 weeks, and then it may go up after that. But right now, I just want it to be obtainable, feasible. Um, I want things to be like, tangible. I want it to feel like you can access it and execute on it. So that's what's important for me. What's the subject of education? Simple sales funnel, selling products online. So yes, that's what our simple sales funnel will be. That is how I'm going to execute it. I'm also going to monetize this in the process. So you'll see me building my own at the same time as teaching you how to build. Because I've built this for clients, but if you sign up to my email list, you've gotten a freebie, but you haven't really received the follow up. I haven't really been nurturing my audience the way that I should. Whatever, it happens when you're like more focused on your client work, and that's okay because we're going to take action, and we're going to start Friday. I've also built my landing page for this. I'm going to offer you get reminder text messages about this, and thinking about maybe doing something on Facebook. So what's in it for me, right? Who cares? It doesn't matter what's in it for me, but I want to show you the bigger picture. So this will be a beta. I'll build it on Facebook, right? Then after building it on on Twitter, I'll build it on Twitter, right? And then I'll build my email list up on Twitter. And then I'll sell to my email list that didn't buy on Twitter. And then I'll also create a lookalike audience on Twitter. So people who look like, not literally look like, but as far as like their behavior is the same as my buyers. And I'll do another live challenge on Facebook. And after that, I will have something called a tripwire, which will maybe I'll make that a bonus training too, or maybe there'll be like a sales funnel part 2. But a tripwire is what you'll see once you sign up to my email list. You'll see how a tripwire works once I release the landing page. And I just need to do like a couple more kinks and twists. I built it out yesterday. I just need to like change colors and just the simple stuff. Everything else is done. You'll see what that looks like, and I'm going to do that on Facebook. Then once I get a tripwire going, I'll keep building up the offer and do something called a low ticket offer on Facebook. And right now, women are making money with the low ticket offer. I want to see Carmen doing a low ticket offer on Facebook. I want to see Ari doing a low ticket offer on Facebook. I want to see Bees doing a low ticket offer on Facebook. It's so profitable right now. I don't know how long this fad will last, but I think it's worth taking advantage of. Even if you only spend $5 a day on Facebook ads, it's working. Like it's working for some women. And these funnels, ugh, it's beautiful to see how it's working for some women. And I'm actually like between getting coached from Ari, I'm also in another like group coaching program called Grow the CEO, which is also teaching me more about how to execute this bigger picture. So that is it. I should have had a sign up link under here, but you know what I wanted to do first? I wanted to get my mini chat set up. So like maybe I can just do that here on live. Hey, Mr. Fat Boy. Is he laughing? Okay. And I may use another texting app after. Just if anyone's on live and you use a texting tool, let's get started. Use a texting tool to communicate with your audience. Let me know what you use. Let me know what's popping, because I'm definitely going to start, I want to start doing this. I told myself I was going to, and I'm committing to it. And that's literally the last step. And what I'm doing is just setting up a mini chat bot to be able to text people like, hey, we're going live. What's up? Sign in with Facebook. Okay. What about a phone number?
I'm coming back.
Let's see what happens when we sign in with Facebook. Oh, Pooh. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, he might be hungry. Bring him over here. So I am going to go ahead and sign off because my boo boo is hungry. But I'm going to get this Slick Text. Does that give you full phone number? Thank you. I'm going to look that up because I was going to do mini chat. Oh, you know what? I just realized I'm not even sharing my screen. I was sharing my screen, y'all. Oops. Boom. So, yeah. Here. I got a guest star. Thank you. It's the fat baby. He just wanted to be on camera. Hi, Jayla. I just went over affiliate link. Okay, Carmen. Yeah, even though you didn't use my affiliate link for .com secrets for my $1. It's okay. I just like teasing you. Hold on. Did it say page? It said page not found. Hold on. Slick text. Let's see. I'm gonna sign up. Send me your link again because it said page not found. So just like send it to me so I can make sure to use your affiliate link before I sign up. Hi, Zakia. Ezra says hello. So I the fat baby. Automated MMS marketing, how it works, features. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and dig into this so I can get my landing page like finally finished. I think I'm gonna just keep the purple color for simple sales. Oh, Carmen, I was just teasing. Like it's fine. It's fine. Also, I don't want a short code though. When we reserve a keyword, it becomes yours. It's unique to your business. It's a short phone number called a short code. They'll get an instant response. I wonder if they give you the option to give a full number, like a whole 7-digit phone number. Say hi. He said, boo, boo, boo. Say my name is the Fathead. Bro. Okay. So yeah. After they'll be added to your text marketing list. Oh, I'm on the How It Works page. All right, I'm gonna watch how it works. I'm gonna get educated, and I'm gonna launch my landing page in the next hour. So I'm gonna add everybody and like that was on this. Well, that commented in the chat, so you can sign up on the landing page. And I look for current slick dash text. Got you. Look at you. Can you do a live stream on branding your links? That's smart. Can we get that? Can we get that? That would be smart. You know what I'm saying? That would be nice. Know what I'm saying? Okay. Alrighty. Thank you. I'm gonna go ahead and get my education on and get this text message popping up. And then we'll go from there. Bye. Say bye bye. Say bye bye. Say bye bye. He's like, what?